Welcome to our video on speeding up any old Android phone. If you're frustrated with the sluggish performance of your device, you're in the right place. First up, let's clear the app cache. This will free up storage and help your phone run smoother. Next, identify and disable unused apps. These pre-installed apps can drain your resources without you even noticing. To boost speed, limit background processes. This helps your phone to focus on what you are actively using. Always update your software. Keeping your phone updated is crucial for optimal performance. Consider switching to lightweight apps. They take up less space and improve speed significantly. Free up storage space by deleting unnecessary files and apps. A clutter-free phone is a happy phone. Adjust your animation settings. Reducing or turning off animations can give you a noticeably faster interface. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. This will restore your phone to its original settings. Thanks for watching. Try these tips and share your own experiences in the comments. Happy speeding!